Self-practice 4.8, question 3. Solve this equation. Write your answers in the form of this, where a and b are rational numbers. Right. So let's solve this. To solve this, basically we need to find what is y lah. So if you want to find y, we need to make that the subject. So 2 plus 3 surd y is 6 surd 3 plus 5. So if you want to make y the subject, 2 we bring over that side. So we leave surd y here, minus 2. So we'll get 6 surd 3, 5 minus 2 is 3. This is 3 surd y. So we make surd y the subject, so it will be 6 surd 3 plus 3 over 3. So 6 and 3 both can be divided by 3. So we'll get 2 surd 3, then 3 divided by 3 is 1. So this is our surd y. So if you just want to find y, this whole thing we have to square. Because square root, we bring there will become square. So let's square this and expand. So the shortcut to expand this is, you will get 3 terms, 1, 2 and 3. The first term will be this square. So 2 square is 4, surd 3 square is just 3. Then the last term will be 1 square. So 1 square is just positive 1. And the middle term here is a special one. You need to do 2 times this times this. So 2 times this is 4 surd 3. 4 surd 3 times 1 is just 4 surd 3. Right. That equals lari already a bit. Okay. So 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So we get 13 plus 4 surd 3. And this is the form they want us to write this in. So we need to write this in a plus b surd 3 lah. So a is 13 and b is 4.